Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am launching my project pan for 2019. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this or not, but you guys want to see it, so we are going to do one, and I think I'm going to be glad to have done it with the products that I've picked. It kind of took me a while to pick them, but I'm going to go through why I picked each specific product and what I want to get from it in this project pan. Before I get started into it, my 1-year anniversary is going on right now, so I hope that you will enter into that. I'm really happy to be celebrating that. I'll put a link up here in the iCards with the products, with a video to the products that are in the giveaway, and I will put a link down below where you can get entered into it. So these products are outside. I think they're all outside. One of them is in my Shop My Stash right now, but it will just move into my project pan, and I think just one of them. Oh, there's 2 of them in my Shop My Stash. So they'll just stay in the project pan once you know. So I'm going to start with this primer. This is the Spackle Tinted Under Makeup Primer from Laura Geller, and I'm going to go ahead and mark where it is right now. So it's right about here. The reason that this is going in the project pan is, so this is in the Shop My Stash. I'm actually kind of liking it. I've had it so long and I really haven't used it, but like I said, I've had it so long. So I want to use it before it's no longer usable because I do like it. And I'll talk more about it in my Shop My Stash Get Ready With Me. This is going in the project pan because I do want to use this up this year before it expires or starts to smell or makes my skin break out or something like that. I usually don't have issues with expired products, which this one is past the 36th month that it says you're supposed to use it in, and I haven't had any issues with it, but I just want to use it up before it gets to that point. I should have said this is a 9 in 2019 project pan. I actually have 10 products, but it's also going to be a rolling project pan. So once one leaves, I'm going to pull another one in. I just like to do that with my project pans. So with my project pans, like I've done one last year. With my project pan, I like to have it be a rolling one throughout the year. So maybe once I get through 2, I'll add one more in so I end up at that 9 mark. So the next product that I have is the Scandinavia Bridal Setting Spray. So this is in here for the same reason that this is in here. This is old. I don't know how old it is. It has got a 24-month expiration on it. It's way more than 24 months old. It's probably more like 48 months old, I would say. And I really like this setting spray. So I don't want it to be gone, like not usable before I've used it all. So that's why this product's going in here. It's black, so I can't tell exactly where it is, but my guess is it's somewhere around here. This is an 8-ounce bottle, so it just took a really long time to get through, but this is in my project pan and I want to use this up this year. The next one I have is a Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I just wanted to throw a foundation in here. This is probably the oldest foundation that I have. I do like it, and it is actually almost gone. So it's right about here. This is a foundation that's going to get trialed with different primers because I do like this one. I talked a little bit about that in my Shop My Stash. Did I link it up there? If I didn't link it up there already, I'll link it up here. Just about kind of the process that I'm going to be going through with the Shop My Stash to see what things really are good quality and what kinds of things work together. So I'm going to be trialing this out with different primers this year, and I want to use it up before it gets bad. The same thing with this one. This is a Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream for your eyes. This is another product that's older and I need to have it used up. I obviously have no idea how much, I think there's any way to get in there. I have no idea how much is in there, but we're going to be using it up this year. It has a 6-month expiration on it. Way older than 6 months. What is this? Okay, it doesn't look like this has one. I don't ever go by those expiration days, but you know, you do want to use stuff up before it gets bad. I've got this Anastasia Brow Wiz in here. This one, I'm not a super fan of, but it works well. I just want to get it out of my collection so I can get to my brow products that I like. So that's why this is in the project pan. Oh, let's see how much is in here. There's a lot in here. All right, so that is how much is in here. I guess I should be like, should I mark this down somewhere? I probably should. I'll do that. This one is also one I want to use up. This is Naked from Urban Decay. It's a is it a cream lipstick? I'm pretty sure it's a cream lipstick. And this is one of my favorite shades. I love this shade. I'm about halfway through, I would say. And you can tell by the packaging, like this is some super old Urban Decay lipstick packaging. So I want to use that up before it gets, you know, sometimes it'll get like hard or just not easy to apply anymore when you get a lipstick that gets pretty old. So I want to use that up before it gets to that point because I do really enjoy it. I'm pulling one up from my project pan from 2018 that I did not use, and it is the Smashbox Photo Finish Creamy Powder Foundation. I have it in number 2. You can see I did hit pan on it last year, but I do want to finish it up this year. I have had this for quite a while as well, and it must just have a ton of product in there because I can't seem to get rid of it. The next 2 products are in here for a different reason, and they are in here to see how long it takes to hit pan in a product. So for blush and highlighter, I pulled out my 2 blush and highlighters that are my 1 each blush and highlighter that I use the most frequently. These are the blush and highlighter that I just pull for if I, you know, I'm getting ready really fast. I know that these are going to look great. They're easy to apply, and I love how they look. So it is the Molten Gold from Maybelline, the Master Chrome line. So we're going to see how long it takes to hit pan. I am not trying to finish this product up. I just want to hit pan in it. And the same is with the Butter Blush. So here is this product. Now, these are also going to be in combination with my Shop My Stashes. So what I'll probably end up doing is only pulling up 1 blush and highlighter per Shop My Stash, and then also using these as well. Because if I'm only using my Shop My Stash products, I'm not going to hit pan on those at all. And then I have one more product, and this is actually for a completely different reason. It is the Urban Decay Slide On Glide On Liner. I do want to see how long it takes to reach the bottom of this. This is actually one of the, it's bigger than the deluxe size sample, but smaller than the full size sample. But another reason I wanted to pull it forward is I love putting black liner in the tight line, and I forget all the time. And I think it looks a lot better, especially if you're wearing lashes, if you've lined the tight line with black. Total personal preference, but I think if it's in my project pan, I'm going to stop forgetting to put it on so much, so that's why I pulled that one forward. So those are my 9/10 products that I want to pan in 2019. So do any of you guys do project pans? And I would love to get some feedback on what you think about the products I chose, the reasonings I chose, and what your purpose is for panning. Because for me, when I'm panning something, it's got to be for a purpose and not just to get rid of a product. I don't know. I think it's strange, and this is obviously a personal preference. We all have our different reasons for why we do things. But I think it's strange when you just like grab some random products and decide you're going to try to pan it. But I think it's cool to watch other people do that, I guess. I don't know. I like to have a specific reason and a goal in mind, and, you know, get something out of it from doing that. So I have too much makeup that I like to play with to just pull random products that I'm trying to pan. I guess is kind of where I come from in that. So thank you guys so much for joining me for my intro to Project Pan. I have no idea how often I am going to do a Project Pan update. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe like every other month, unless I run out of one and need to pull one forward, I guess. I don't know. If you have feedback on that, feel free to drop it in the comments as well. Don't forget to enter the giveaway before you leave. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am so grateful that you take time out of your day to watch them. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!